Okay, Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net is our website. You can see this tub and others like it. No rust on this tub. In that sense, it's beautiful. In the sense that it's got some dings and other things that I don't like, it's going to get a B-, C+. Normally things with no rust still get B's, but because this thing's kind of in, I mean, the LED light cutouts, definitely it's got some filler back here, and then they just got, whoever had this thing just kind of put every accessory they possibly could find on it, but it does have some good things on it. And if you are in the East Coast, Midwest, somewhere like that, you're probably chasing rust, and in that case this would probably be a pretty good tub for you. You could even cut the floors out if you wanted to, but there's still a lot of good to work with. So floors are solid. I got a little bit pushed up here when I picked up with the fork, but that should pound out pretty easily. Back area, nice solid. Drivers, nice solid. There's a little water, and I just washed it. All up through here. All the bolts for the roll bar holes are all pulled. Nothing broke off in it. So that's nice and clean. So right rear, a couple extra holes that didn't have. It had some corner plates on it here, so you see those holes. And then of course the LED lights. This rear corner is accessible from the backside to pull it, but it does have a nice little ding on the bottom there. LED cutouts, of course, there. And that's what I was saying there. So I seen there's definitely filler in these rear, and I don't know if they hit something and replaced it at one time. It definitely has sheet metal below it, so there is steel down here. Maybe when they were cutting the holes they screwed up, I'm not sure. This is all gobbled up here where the fuel filler neck goes, so that should be replaced or excuse me, repaired. But the metal's still there, so again, just depends on what you want to work with and whatnot. So the best thing about this guy is the undercarriage, other than the floorboards. So let me get it in there here. What I mean by the best thing is that the pockets, what do you call them? The torque pockets, people call them all different things. But these are the areas that your frame is going to mount to. So all the little holes and then the body bushing pockets there's no rust. The threads are good. They're not collapsed. A little bit of dirt on this one here, but it comes right off. And and that's got a ton of our sand here from the yard in it, but that will all come out. There's no rust chunks or anything like that. Nice and clean there. Same with this side. So not a bit of rust on the bottom side of it, and that in itself makes it worth listing. Otherwise, if it was rough up top and rough down below, we would scrap the thing. So questions, comments, concerns, 303-666-9020. Here's your back frame mounts, those two, and then you got these guys that go above your gas tank, in case you're wondering how many body bushings there are. I believe there's like 12 of them on these things, 10, 12, something like that. But anyway, been doing a long time, no rust in the seams or anything like that. So you'll be good on this tub if again, depending on what you're looking to do with it. And either a good starting point or crawl in it or whatever you want to do. It's ready to rock. So do have a couple frames left, not a lot of the TJ ones, but a few of them. 303-666-9020. Again, my name is Jeremy. It's Jeeps Unlimited. We're north of Denver, Colorado, and our website is jeepsunlimited.net. I appreciate you taking the time and watching it.